बच्चों मैथमेटिक्स क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन देखिए, इंटीग्रेशन इज द रिवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन। इंटीग्रेशन इज द इनवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन। Integration is the reverse process of differentiation For example, d by dx x to the power n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into x to the power n. D by dx x to the power n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into x to the power n. Therefore, integration x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. Since this integration is indefinite integration, so we use indefinite integration constant c. Again, this formula is used for every real value of n except n equal to -1, n not equal to -1. Here, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Therefore, integration dx, here differentiation of x dx. Therefore, d is cancelled by integration, and the result of dx is equal to x plus constant. The d of differentiation is cancelled by the integration and we get x. Therefore, integration dx is equal to x plus c. Integration dx equal to x plus c. Similarly, since d by dx log x d by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, integration 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. We put here the sign of mod because the domain of log x, value of x must be positive. Since for negative value of x, log is not defined. Again, d by dx e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. This implies integration e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. D by dx a to the power x is equal to a to the power x into log a. Therefore, integration a to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x divided by log a plus c. d by dx d by dx sin x is equal to cos x. This implies integration cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. d by dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. This implies integration sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. d by dx tan x equal to sec square x. This implies integration sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि आप लोग लिख लिए होंगे। आगे बढ़ते हैं। d by dx cot x equal to minus cos x square x. Therefore, integration cos x square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. d by dx sec x equal to sec x into tan x. Therefore, integration sec x into tan x dx equal to sec x plus c. d by dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Therefore, integration cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. d by dx sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. This implies integration 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. This is equal to sin inverse x plus c. d by dx cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. This implies integration minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx is equal to cos inverse x plus c, and this also equal to minus sin inverse x plus c. d by dx tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. This implies integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. d by dx cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, this implies integration minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to cot inverse x plus c, and this may be equal to minus tan inverse x प्लस सी डी बाई डी एक्स सेक इनवर्स एक्स दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई x into root over x square minus 1. Therefore, integration 1 by x into root over x square minus 1 dx, and this is equal to sec inverse x plus c. X cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. Therefore, integration minus 1 by x into root over x square minus 1 dx is equal to cosec inverse x plus c. And this may be equal to minus sec inverse x plus c. Again, d by dx log sin x, d by dx log sin x is equal to tan x cot x. d by dx log sin x is equal to cot x. Therefore, integration cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. d by dx log cos x is equal to minus tan x. This implies integration tan x dx is equal to minus log mod cos x plus c, or this may be equal to log mod sec x. d by dx log sec x, d by dx log sec x, this is equal to tan x. Therefore, integration tan x dx is equal to log mod sec x plus c. d by dx log sec x plus tan x, this is equal to sec x. Therefore, integration sec x dx is equal to log mod sec x plus tan x plus c. d by dx log cosec x minus cot x, is equal to cosec x. This implies integration cosec x dx is equal to log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. यहाँ तक आप लोग देख लें। इसके आगे का टॉपिक पुनः नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताएंगे। थैंक यू।